Welcome back viewers. This is Happy Tutorial Point. Previously, we had discussed about the cell in general and in particular with an overview of all the different components: cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus and so on. We also mentioned the different cell organelles. This week, we look closely at one very interesting cell organelle called mitochondria or mitochondrion in singular. Mitochondria are oval, rod, bean-shaped or filamentous cell organelles which are involved in the production of energy for the cell. They are thus called the powerhouses of the cell. The unit of power produced by them is called as ATP. Mitose means thread and chondrion means varying grain, and this depicts their shape. They are submicroscopic in size and present in almost all cells, excepting a few like RBC. Historically, they were first observed in 1857 by Albert von Kolliker. Richard Altman described them in great detail and called them as bioblasts. Carl Benra is credited with coining the term mitochondria. Some evolutionary biologists believe that mitochondria used to exist by themselves until they got integrated into cells along with other organelles. Let's now look at some of the structure details as well as the functions of mitochondria. As the name indicates, mitochondria are grain-shaped, filament-like cell organelles. They have an outer, even membrane and an inner folded or pleated membrane. These folds are called cristae. The cristae are folded and project to increase the surface area. Cristae have particle-like stores. These hold energy as ATP. Thus, the term powerhouse or energy store is given to mitochondria. In between such energy particles is what is called as the matrix. Here, enzymes carry out respiration and its chemical reactions, and this produces energy. Also present here is its own genetic material, the mitochondrial DNA, which helps reproduce itself. Hence, in the matrix, we often find a complex mix of proteins, DNA, RNA, and ribosomes. Indeed, for such a small body, the mitochondrion punches way above its weight. What are some of the functions of mitochondria? Scientists and cell biologists keep discovering new and fascinating facets of this intriguing organelle. However, for our purpose here, we can broadly categorize mitochondrial functions as powerhouses or producers of ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate, and this is the basic energy currency of the cell. It also uses nutrients such as glucose to produce this ATP. Mitochondria is the subject of intense research in the world of medicine. It has been implicated in several diseases of the brain, liver and the muscles. Some of the genetic diseases are called myopathies. Mitochondrial membrane disease is a general term used for this. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.